Walking with Rob Kolb from RKC, who's inspecting a roof right now. He's doing a full 360 of the house and looking for anything with regards to the home and missing shingles. He's especially looking for some wind damage.
See that ridge vent on this back here? Center of that ridge vent?
Yeah?
That black area?
Yeah?
Your shingle's missing there.
Okay.
I'm trying to, evaluate this rear. That snow is going to make it hard to reevaluate. You can see how it's clear here and clear here. You can evaluate those spots, but without a drone and a no-fly zone from the ground, kind of limited to what we can do. So we'll go around the front here, and what I'm going to show you guys is how to correctly photograph a loss. And so what you want to do is you want to take overview pictures first. Pictures that you can see the whole house. Start from the front, something with the address in it. Then you want to go to the, go in a consistent order. So I usually go to the right. You're going to do the right corner, right elevation, the back corner, rear elevation, and so on all the way around the house. That's what you want to do initially. And then after that, you want to start doing close-up pictures. So on this case, it's the roof. We're going to, look up at the shingles. Normally that would be done from the roof. We can't do that today. And then also make sure when you guys inspect a property, if there's wind damage to the roof, there may be wind damage to other spots. You and thoroughly look at the siding, make sure there's no damage there. So that's what we're getting into now. I don't know if that's driftwood. It looks pretty dark over here, but you can see these. So, if you don't know these darker areas, that's algae, you know what I mean? And so, that makes the shingle darker, and that can make it a little bit harder to identify in some cases. Alright, are you going to do it from your phone? Or